Welcome to the ultimate handwritten notes for React.js. If you are preparing for B.Tech, IT, CSE, or software engineering, these notes are a must-have. Covering everything from JSX, components, and props to hooks, state management, Redux, and React router, this is the most comprehensive and well-organized study material. Open book. Why should you download these notes? Because they are concise, easy to understand, and handwritten, helping you retain concepts better. Toppers and professors highly recommend them. Trophy. Inbox tray, get your copy now. The download link is in the description. Don't miss out on these high-quality React.js notes to ace your exams and interviews. Rocket.